Hi, all my crafty friends. It's Teresa here. So today's going to be a tad different. We are going to organize ephemera. I have a huge box that I have been collecting junk for years. I don't know if y'all get that one. Kids' concerts, stuff when I was a kid in concert, all this stuff I've just slowly collected and collected. Well, I figured my kids are off to college now, so I'm going to start doing making my own journals and use them as scrapbooks and put all this stuff where it needs to go. So we're going to organize. I have some envelopes. And I'm going to write on here, I'm starting with a very broad organization skill. So this one is going to be for bug. And this one is going to be yaya stuff. And then I'm going to have one for Disney. And yeah, it does need its own. And then I'll have one for other parks, like travel. And then, because I'm sure I'm going to find it, I'm going to have stuff in here for work, Disney, and before kids. And in the same one, we are going to put trips without kids. And if I need more, I have a bunch more. So let's get started. This is the box we are going to try and attack. And I have a lot more like this. Like, we're talking, this is really crazy and insane, and I should have been doing this all along. So if you're a new parent, do it as your kid's age. So I am just going to pull random stacks up here and go to town. Okay. This is, I'm just going to make a pile for theater because I have a lot of theater magazines and stuff like that. So theater's going to get mixed within a lot of this. So I'm just going to put theater in its own pile. And let's see, what are you? Oh, so that is my senior prom picture. And yeah, so we all know how long that has been going. Okay, so we have Travel Without Kids. Let's see, you were San Francisco to Honolulu. Oh, this was the 14th. Okay, this was Travel Without Kids. What were you for? This was the 15th. This was customer copy. Well, hello, that doesn't work very much if you don't know what it is, huh? We're just gonna set those there. That's a travel. Okay, you are a letter of some sort. Okay, so I'm going to put letters in a separate one. Okay, and we are getting into some things for my kid, which child. Okay, this one is, oh, Gabe. This one's my bug. He's, all of the dancing stuff is his. What is the, oh, that's actual trash. Denver merch, I don't know. I don't know what you were for either. So, oh, those we don't need. Those are just regular. Okay. Okay, so these are Travel Without Kids. That's where. We have fabric. Oh. Okay, this is, so if you were to print on your fabric or whatever, that's what this is for. It goes with when I was making photo quilts, which I haven't done one in years. Okay. These are just family photos, and I'm not entirely sure. Oh, well, that's a yaya. That's letters. That's a yaya. Bug. These are, we're gonna start another one for old photos. Okay, what are in the heck are these? Hilton valid. I don't know if this is from, oh, this is Hawaii. Okay, this was a travel before the kids. Or without kids. And that is what, Denver to San Francisco. I am guessing this is the same. Okay. And that's what this is. This one is a bug. So I'm going to put this on fast forward and we will go from there. Oh, this was a journal I had, and this is how bad I don't journal. This is why I'm hoping this, I have one page. That's it. One full front and back. Oh no, I have more. Yeah, not much. I can't write. That was, oh, that is a bug. There we go. Let's see. Disney. I don't know when that was. Cold Stone. So if you have old cards like this. These are really good for squishing around fabric, paper, glue. And okay, so this is oh, okay. What year is the? Oh, there's only 1 year. I went to this amusement park, and this is family travel. Okay, so this is in here. I'm just gonna leave everything in here. This is all a lot of Hobbiton, New Zealand stuff that I bought when I went on my trip to New Zealand. I mean, look at that. How adorable is that? So I am just going to keep it all in here. Add to it if need be. Okay, that is done. Thank you for joining me. This will probably be a little smaller. I still have a lot more to go, and these are getting big, so I need to figure out another way to do this because this is just overwhelming with stuff. Maybe I need little boxes or containers for everyone. I don't know. We'll see. See you next time. Bye.